There's Buddha. There's Dookie. Wait, that needs to... Can't see him that well. Lucas! You don't like Buddha? He has your same hairdo. No? No? Lucas!
It's okay, it's just Buddha. It's just Buddha! Buddha! What happened?
No, you don't like Buddha? Holding on to Dad tight? Lucas! Hi!
What? Is he Buddha?
No, holding tight. Holding tight. Come here. Lucas. Okay. Lucas, where's Buddha? Where's Buddha? Where's Buddha? No, you don't like him? Oh, look at that rat tail.
Buddha. Buddha.